Yes, preparations are going well. We're looking forward to the match. We've come here with an aim to challenge, to win the cup. So, to do that, you have to make the final. So tomorrow's a very important match for us. We've been training hard. We've been preparing. We've got 2 games now that we've played. So it's given me an opportunity to look at 1 or 2 things. The players are highly motivated to put in a big performance tomorrow evening. Look, I think obviously having been newly appointed at the club, there's a number of areas that need improving. I think all the players fully understand that although we won our previous 2 matches, there was a great deal of room for improvement in all areas, whether it be in possession or whether it be without possession. So there's no real single area that we're looking to target to be better. I think it's just all-round improvement throughout the squad, throughout the units, both in possession of the ball and also without possession of the ball. Yeah, I know, we understand it's obviously a tough match. Obviously we lost to them in the league match, so they're a good team. They've got good individual players. We're very aware of that. We're slowly getting some of our players returning to the squad. If we want to make the final, we have to make sure that we prepare really well, select a team that can win the match for us. So without letting anything out, we will have a very competitive team tomorrow evening.
Nadhani kesho kutakuwa na mchezo mwingine tofauti na ule, kwa sababu mchezo wa kwanza tunajua kabisa walitufunga, lakini kesho ni mchezo mwingine wa Ligi ya Mapinduzi. Kwa hiyo na ukizingatia pia tuna mwalimu mpya, kwa hiyo nadhani mbinu pia zitakuwa ni tofauti na za mchezo, lakini sisi kama wachezaji kwa pamoja tumejizatiti kweli katika mchezo wa kesho kuweza kufanya vizuri. Kikubwa tunachohitaji kama mwalimu anavyotaka malengo yake ya ili kombe kuweza kubeba. Kwa hiyo kama tunataka tushinde ubingwa, lazima tushinde mechi ya kesho na kuweza kufika finali.